We're looking at number 21. The instructions are use a graphing utility to graph the curve represented by the parametric equations and indicate the orientation of the curve. So for number 21, we have x is equal to 4 times sine of 2t, and y is equal to 2 times cosine of 2t. So you can see here, for number 1, I've entered the set of parametric equations as an ordered pair, and the parameter is t. I do have to tell Desmos the range of t values that I would like to use when Desmos does the graph. And when I do that, I get the red graph that you see here, and it's an ellipse. So for the second part of the problem, it says indicate the orientation of the curve. So what you can do is you can copy and paste the set of parametric equations that you entered for cell 1 as an ordered pair and just change the parameter from t to some other variable such as a. And when you do that, it will give you the option of adding a slider. So choose to add the slider. And I've done that in cell 3, you see the slider. And if you choose to label, as you move the slider, you will see the coordinates of points being labeled. So you can see the blue slider as t goes from 0 to pi, you can see that the ellipse is being traced clockwise. Let me do that again by pressing play. The ellipse is being traced clockwise. If you would like to label the coordinates of certain points on the ellipse, you can do it in this way. You can see in my cell 4 that I have B, and it is a list with 4 elements. So we have 0, pi over 4, pi over 2, and 3 pi over 4. And you can copy and paste your set of parametric equations from cell 1, just change the t to b, and if you click on, and you can see that there are 4 points now corresponding to those 4 values of the parameter, 0, pi over 4, pi over 2, and 3 pi over 4. And if you click label, the coordinates of those 4 points will be labeled as you see now. And if you want to change the color, you can. And there it is.